Yo, what's up and welcome back to the channel. This is the new Mercedes Benz CLE Cabriolet aka DROPTOP, and it's drop dead gorgeous. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know, including exterior, interior, how it drives, and cost of ownership. So wanna sit back, relax, take your food out the microwave, because I do all the research so you don't have to.
So fresh, so clean. Big dreams, man, what you mean?
It's Smirk.
So fresh, so clean. Said I'm Morassi with a Peng Ting. Big dreams, man, what you mean? That's the reason that I need mostly overseas trips. I'm a big fish. Tryna ride away, man.
So Mercedes-Benz have just launched the all-new CLE Cabriolet, and guess who got behind the wheel? Yep, this guy.
It's Smirk.
Merc has given us two models, the CLE 200 and the CLE 300 for MATIC. The 200 is a rear-wheel drive that produces 150 kilowatts and 320 Newton meters of torque, while the 300 is an all-wheel drive producing 190 kilowatts and 400 Newton meters of torque. Both models are powered by a 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid technology that gives it a boost of 17 kilowatts and 205 Newton meters of torque. And yes, both models do come standard with the AMG body kit. Up front is an A-shaped radiator grille with the Mercedes-Benz patterns and big Benz badge. These digital lights will adjust and adapt to whatever conditions are in front of it to give you the best possible view and light in the safest way possible. It comes standard with 18-inch light alloy wheels, but you can option with these good-looking 20s. You get two-part taillights, and the power domes on the bonnet give it this aggressive feel. And yet it still looks so sophisticated and elegant. The multi-layered acoustic soft top takes 20 seconds to open and close. They told us about some wind tunnel testing that was done for when driving with the roof down. You press air cap and it won't be as noisy or windy. But to be honest, I didn't sense or feel much of a difference with that air cap function on or off. Eish, kala ya manyora. Exterior wise, this is an extremely stunning car. Drop tops aren't that common in South Africa, but this is very pleasing to look at. I think this side profile shows you exactly how long the car is. As you can see, it's longer and wider than a C-Class, and you can see the C and E-Class elements, how it has been combined and integrated together to give us this wowzer of a car. The interior is as luxurious as ever, and it's actually well put together. Wait. You see this part here? It's called air scarf, and it heats your neck when cold. Pretty cool. The seats are comfortable and, as you can see, look luxurious. They are heated and cooled memory seats with a massage function. I actually posted a tweet asking people which interior they prefer. They also have one in black, just all black. So in the comments, let me know which interior you'd spec your cabriolet with. There is ambient lighting, Burmester 3D surround sound system, which is now officially the best sound system I've heard in a Benz. And to take it one step further, there are speakers integrated into the seats. The 11.9-inch central display can be tilted, so if you are driving with the top down, the sun won't glare on the screen. There's a heads-up display and a 12.3-inch driver's display, multifunctional steering wheel, and just a very premium interior. Some safety systems include a 360-degree camera, lane keep assist, active brake assist, distance assist, as well as a center airbag. In case there's a side collision, it will protect you, the driver, and the front passenger from colliding. Drive modes are Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Individual. It has a lowered comfort suspension, and the car does feel like it was tuned to be dynamic, as it does support sporty driving. But drop tops are not for you if you are going to be out here racing in this car. It's a perfect cruise and it just floats about on the road. All you say is top down, cool, calm, collected, feel the breeze in your hair, wanna relax, kululeka. This car is for chilled things. It's the perfect cruiser. There is dynamic body control suspension with adjustable damping for you to select just how you want it to be. The CLE 200 does feel lighter because it's rear-wheel drive, but the difference won't blow your mind in weight. I believe the CLE Cabriolet has been priced perfectly. I'm just confused as to why they had to bring two models if these are so closely priced with minimal differences. The CLE 200 is priced at 1,505,350. The CLE 300 for MATIC is priced at 1,573,651. That's roughly a 60k difference. Let me further explain. If you finance both cars for 72 months at 13.50% interest, you'll pay 30,821 for the CLE 200 and 32,006 for the CLE 300, which is a 2,000 rands difference in a monthly installment. I think people who are at this tax bracket can afford 2,000. As confusing as the pricing might be and them bringing two models that are so closely priced, I still think they've made an absolute banger of the car. I would love to have this on test and give you a in-depth review and tell you what it is actually like to live with a drop top. So please, in order to see that, like, comment, subscribe, and just continue showing the love that you always do. Thank you for watching and peace out.
So fresh, so clean. Said I'm with a Peng Ting. Big dreams, man, what you mean? That's the reason that I need mostly overseas trips. I'm a big fan.